Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide games and apps on the Play Store using the built-in parental controls. Let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store app. Then, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu that opens, go to Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Family, and then tap on Parental Controls. Here, you need to turn on Parental Controls. It will ask you to create a PIN code. Choose a PIN that's different from your phone's lock screen password and enter it twice to confirm. After that, you'll see a section called Apps and Games. Tap on it, and now you can choose the age rating for the content you want to allow. For example, rated 3+ means only apps suitable for very young kids. Rated 7+ for slightly older children. And you can go all the way up to 18+ if you don't want anything hidden. So if you want to hide mature or violent games, just select a lower age rating like 3+ or 7+. Then tap on Save. Now, the Play Store will only show apps and games that are within the rating you selected. All other apps and games will be hidden and can't be seen or downloaded unless you remove parental controls. And that's it. This is a quick and easy way to hide apps and games you don't want to see or don't want others to see on your Play Store. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.